What if I told you that doing just 20 push-ups a day could completely transform your body? It's simple, quick, and effective. I tried it for a month, and the results were surprising. In this video, I'll show you how this small daily habit can lead to big changes in your health and fitness. 1. Increased muscle mass push-ups are a body weight exercise that target multiple muscles, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, back, and even your biceps as stabilizers. Doing 20 push-ups daily helps create small muscle tiers that repair and grow stronger, resulting in more defined arms and chest over time. 2. Strengthening your core. While push-ups primarily work your upper body, they also engage your core, including your abdominals, obliques, and lower back. This strengthens your posture, reduces back pain, and improves balance, giving you more bang for your buck in each rep. 3. Promoting joint health. Push-ups are a low-impact exercise that promote joint health by strengthening the muscles around your shoulders, elbows, and wrists. This reduces strain on your joints and lowers the risk of injury, while also producing synovial fluid to keep your joints lubricated. 4. Improved mobility and flexibility. The range of motion in push-ups helps stretch and contract your chest and shoulder muscles, improving mobility and flexibility. This flexibility reduces stiffness and prevents injury, helping you move more freely in everyday life. Increased endurance. At first, 20 push-ups might seem challenging, but over time your body adapts, allowing you to perform them with ease. This improves your muscular endurance, making everyday tasks like lifting and playing sports easier. How to perform push-ups. Correctly, start with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Engage your core and glutes, and lower your chest to the floor while keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Push back up in a controlled motion. If you're ready to take your fitness to the next level, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you soon.